Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of KJD Investor. This is yours truly, KJ, and without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the portfolio. We're looking at the investing account right now. Guys, we're sitting at $64,330.34. We're up today $992.46, 1.57% today, which has actually been a pretty good day. The market, for the most part, you guys, I could tell it was kind of flat all day today until we got to the end of the day where one of the most anticipated stocks earning report came out today, which was Nvidia. Once Nvidia reported, I think it was like they did like 0.81 cent on the dollar. So basically what that means is Nvidia beat on top line. They beat on bottom line. The PE ratio is really, really good. So Nvidia's earnings report is kind of like the granddaddy of them all for AI in the technology sector. And a lot of stocks, not just Nvidia, was riding on this earnings report to, help skyrocket the market today. As you see at the end of the chart there, it's kind of skyrocketed towards the end of the day. So it's the 4 o'clock hour. Like I said, the whole day was flat. Look at this. Look at this. The whole day just about was just flat, 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 flat. And then you get to the end of the day at the earnings report, and Nvidia causes the entire market to shoot up. Buying power right now, guys, is at $3,093.36. As you see, I got a couple of options coming up. My phone's letting me know I got a Walmart $100 call option expiring Friday. As a matter of fact, take you guys to look at it. I got a cover call right here for Walmart, one contract. I'm up already 25% in the position. View Walmart. Walmart is at $99.40. And I got a cover call on this stock right now, guys. As a matter of fact, since Nvidia shot up to the moon at 9:05 tonight, Walmart went up to $100 a share. Wow, that's really, really good. Guys, so anyway, I got 100 shares on the line right now. My strike price is $100. So, but the expiration date is not until Friday. So right now, it's still Wednesday night. Expiration for this cover call is not until Friday. And I'm going to see how we're doing all day throughout the day on Friday. And if we get to a point where it's almost time for the market to close and I see that my strike price is achieved, then I'm going to roll this option so I won't lose my 100 shares of Walmart stock. Why? Because I actually believe in this company long term. I've spent my time building up this position. I got 113.62 shares of Walmart. Market value is $11,294.26. My average price is crazy good, which is $58.80. Right now, I got a total return of $46.13.21, which is a 69.05%. And as soon as the first time I want to sell cover calls on my position, guys, look, this thing has been flat most of the day as well. Walmart was at 97 like all day. Excuse me. It even dropped as low as 97.01. Excuse me. But tonight, after the earnings report of Nvidia, Walmart shot up. As you can see, excuse me, guys. Sorry about the cough tonight. But yeah, right now is at $99.40. Not too worried about it. Like I said, we got all day Thursday to go. And then we got to go through Friday until the close of business on Friday. And we'll see where it's at. But I remember I seen Walmart. Let me show you. I got indicators right here. Let me show the 1 week indicator. The Bollinger Bands. Let me see. There we go. 1 month indicator. Let me see. Yeah, I got Bollinger Bands right here. So usually Walmart is not surpassing $98 right here. And on the low end, It wasn't surpassing 95 right there. So Walmart was trading anywhere between the $95 and the $98 Bollinger Band. But tonight, it spiked up right here to 99.33. So, like I said, my strike price is up here to 100. And for now, like I said, I don't think that spike will last. As a matter of fact, it didn't last. Tonight, it actually came back down to 99.40. And so, like I said, we'll see what tomorrow may bring. Earlier today in the market, it was just a flat day all day, $97. But right now it's at $99.40. So we're gonna continue to see. I did make some premium off this options call. Let me scroll down and show you. Right here, May 28th, 2025. I received $8 in premium. $8 out of the stock share price was $97 is almost a 10% return. So, guys, you got to think about this. $9 out of $90 is a 10% return. And so this thing is at $97 when I took this option out. $98, $99 right now. But it's a total, I have a $8 return. It's almost 10. That's like a 9.7% return on investment if this thing goes through the way I need it to go through. Then if you also look at the history, Walmart just yesterday, May 27, 2025, I had a dividend come in of $26.64, reinvested back into the portfolio. See, as you can tell. So $26 of $97, that's about over 30% return. So as you can see, Walmart's no slouch. We're making money in Walmart. Pretty good company. Also, SG, my $13 puts. As a matter of fact, today, there it is. Sweetgreen went over the 13. It went back up over the $13 strike price. It's back up to $13.70 actually. So that's a good thing for me because now look at my today's return. Today's return, I'm up $140 or 29.17%. Total return right now, still negative 120 or negative 54.55%. But as we continue to climb, Sweetgreen continue to climb, then I'm selling a cash secured put or a cash covered put for Sweetgreen. I got four contracts for them, and so I'm gonna show you the premium I collected right there back on May 20th, $220 premium, and I've done this the week prior. Like if you look at the bottom, Sweetgreen, $15 put, I collected $80 right there. So in a matter of 2 weeks, I collected $300 just selling puts on this company, Sweetgreen. And like I said, they are responsible for healthy salads and drinks and things like that in their business. All right. I got interest accrued this month, $5.61. Lifetime interest paid, $64.10. Cash earning interest is $3,112.05. Still have my crypto holdings right there. Doge, my Ethereum, and Avalanche. You guys gonna tell me, well, why you ain't got Bitcoin? Well, listen, I do technically have Bitcoin. If you come down to my portfolio, I still hold my shares of the Bitcoin Trust ETF, $61.59. I have 64.44 shares of IBIT. Market value is $39.69 and 42 cents. Total return right now, I'm up $469.42, or a 13.41% increase or return on the dollar. So I'm still investing into Bitcoin, just not directly, but it's through an ETF. So yeah, I'm good with that. You guys still see my holdings pretty strong, pretty straightforward. Still got 122 shares of SPLG. And we finally reached the $70 mark again with SPLG. SCHD, 225 shares of that. I got $26.30 for that. The Google positions, Class A and Class C, is up to $176, $175. I'm telling you, I've been waiting on Class C to continue climbing. My average cost is 178, and we can get this one back up to 178 or more. Guys, I think I'm going to have to cash out and redistribute the funds into something else that I'll see deemable and something much worthy, worthy much more than just sitting in the Google Class C. Even in Google Class A, I'm kind of ready to take those funds and redistribute them into other investments that I want to do. As a matter of fact, if you guess option trading, then you guess right, because I'm definitely into the option trading a whole lot more than what I used to be. I still believe in buying whole Bitcoin blue chips long term. I still do that, but at the same time, right now, I want income into the portfolio. I'm working on more passive income. So you need liquidated funds in order to do that in the portfolio. So I can sell covered calls and I can sell cash covered puts and things like that and collect that premium every time I get ready to sell. Now, the stock of the hour, Nvidia, sitting at $141.75. My strike price for this particular cover call was $144. If Nvidia reaches 144, then my 100 of my shares will be trying to be called from me, and I'm gonna also roll this position too, just like the Walmart position, if that happens come the end close of business on Friday. If that happens with the 144, I'll be rolling this option. Because like I said, look at Nvidia all day long. It was flat for the most part. If I can get this to pop up, I can't get the, okay. Can't hardly get nothing to work. But yeah, it was flat for the most part with Nvidia, man. 55.23 shares, market value $7,830.39. Average cost is 118. And then if you see the total return, I'm up 1308.73 cents. That's a almost 21% return right there. Then next, in the traditional IRA, we're sitting at $47,241.99. We're up in the overnights by 1206.45, which is a 6.62 return on investment. The buying power is $6,937.07. When you click on that, if you see right here, the traditional IRA cash, the real buying power, guys, is $9,561.36. Unsettled funds, negative $2,624.29. What is that? It's the unsettled funds of me selling positions in the portfolio that I'm going to redirect those funds to do more option trading and to actually get a chance to do more than what we have now. So here you go. You see the Nvidia position right there. Once again, the 144 strike price. This thing actually says at 145 is our break even. So LTEC up to 182. MicroStrategy is 372. MicroStrategy has been doing really, really well for me. I got 1335 in MicroStrategy as total profit. Palantir, 26 shares right now. I got Palantir at 126.60, but I got my average cost at 75.94. Right now, total return is $1,357.54. That's almost a 67% return. And the portfolio is really just rocking. Like I said, so Nvidia, Walmart, if need be, I'll roll those options out just a little bit further. Not trying to lose no money or trying to lose no shares, but I'm going to continue to collect more premium income from the rolls. Even when you roll, you do get even more premium for having the stock. So I'm going to continue to do that right now. The portfolio is at $111,574.40. We also have another almost $15,000 in the traditional Roth IRA account over there in Fidelity. So you guys, we're going to continue to grow. We're going to continue to build. We're going to continue to reach for the higher heights and deeper depths, So If you enjoyed this episode of KJ the Investor, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the video. I appreciate all the liking, the love, you guys. Looking for premiums right now, man. We're looking for that income. We're going to scale this portfolio into the higher mid-range and higher six figures, and eventually into the 7 figures. So if you're coming along with me for the journey, buckle up your seatbelt and let's go. This is KJ the Investor signing off. Over and out. Peace.